Dinosaurs?
Yeah, we're going to learn about dinosaurs. We love dinosaurs at our house, and recently we watched the original Jurassic Park movie together and loved it. So this curriculum came at the perfect time to give us a deeper dive into some of these dinosaurs that we're seeing in the movies as we work our way through the series, as well as Dinosaur Train. My kiddos love Dinosaur Train. There are a lot of new elements to this curriculum, and one of them is that it comes pre-bound, which I love because that is less prep work for me. I do wish it was a continual spiral rather than this binding, because this is really one of our least favorite bindings, but I am grateful regardless. Getting into it, we have the table of contents, unit information, the read-along book pack. Let's jump over there and take a look at those now.
Scissor it again.
You love those scissor moments, huh?
Yeah. Ooh. The big black ones.
Yeah, we got the Ultimate Dinosaur Guide and the Ancient Animals. Which one do you want to do first?
This one.
That one. And if we're just meeting, hi there, I'm Elaine from On the Same Page Together. We are a Christ-centered home of learning, and on this channel, we talk about all things family. We like to share what works for us as we strive to encourage you on your journey in life and family. Look, a Troodon.
The conductor is a Troodon.
Yeah, he is.
He's from Dinosaur Train. Ooh! Hey, those guys are in Dinosaur Train too. They're red though. Hey, Mom! Those are Corcorissaurus. Cor's purple.
Weren't those awesome? We're so excited. I love the lesson extensions. I feel like they provide so much value to the unit. Now, I don't have kiddos up in these levels, but even if I did, we do them as a family as part of the lesson because they're so fun. And this book, I'm super excited for. Let's jump over and take a look at it. Oh, I'm excited to learn about these archaeology digs. I bet that we can extend our extension lesson and find a documentary about each one. That will be cool. All right, supplies needed. As always with these supply lists, I like to go through each lesson and take a look at the activity that involves these supplies and make sure it is something that I want to do with my kids or something that they would be interested in before I purchase anything that I don't have. Vocabulary. Some people like to cut them out and put them on a science ball. I like to leave them bound in and then be able to review them each lesson. So lesson 1 talks about paleontology and lesson 2 introduces fossil. So when we get to lesson 2, we'll read fossil and then review paleontology. And as we go forward each lesson, we will introduce the new word and review any previous ones.
Dig more, dig more, dig more, dig more.
Tar pits. Oh, I would love to do a field trip to the La Brea tar pits for this. That would be so fun.
Dig more, more, dig, dig, dig more, dig, dig more. Down, dig, dig, dig more.
Student journals. These are one of the new elements that come with this new version of the science units, and I'm so excited for these because I think it will really encourage my kids to do those more written activities. All right, grades 3 through 6. Here's the table of contents, and each lesson that is listed here will direct you to these pages when it's time. This student journal accompanies the Good and the Beautiful Paleontology Science Unit. It contains all of the activities and journal pages that are needed to complete the unit. Each student will need a copy of the science journal, or you can buy one and just make copies for the rest of your kiddos. This is a great quality paper. It is going to be nice and easy for kids to use. All right, the 7 to 8 student journal. Here's the table of contents. And again, the course book's going to instruct you when to come over here and use it. And the activities are still included for them to do. And here's the lesson extensions built right into the journal, which I love, especially for families who do assign their older kids to do these on their own. It's just built right into where they need to write. For us, even though we do it as a family, I really do like that it's over here because it gives us a space to then write our notes because we still do the activity together. Naming a new species, I mean, honestly, this is why we do the extensions as a family, because they're just so cool. Space archaeology, are you kidding me? Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Check out the updated safety unit we unboxed in this order. This is a playlist with more curriculum from the Good and the Beautiful. And here's a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Just click on one of these, and I'll see you over there.